Hello there, it's Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, and these are your three big things you need to know. So if you're in real estate, if you are selling or buying real estate, if you are somebody that's looking to refinance or purchase new construction, maybe you're a builder's representative, I always want to give you some things that will help you understand what's going on in the lending industry when it pertains to purchasing or refinancing homes. I've been in the business for 31 years. I am a co-host of the Loveland Report on Saturdays on WDBO 107.3 and AM 580 on Saturdays from noon to 1. Please feel free to tune in to me. Call in at any time. I love helping my real estate agents and I love helping my clients, but I also want you to be well informed because our industry is a moving target right now. So things are changing, guidelines are changing. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, HUD, and even VA are really imposing some hard and fast guidelines that are making it a little bit more challenging for us to navigate through. But aside from that, three big things you need to know. First of all, you've heard me say this before, but I think it warrants saying again. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac imposed a 0.5 point increase on all refinances. And they did this about 3 weeks ago, and they did it at 8:24 p.m. at night before anybody could see what was happening. They've since recanted that. However, they have promised us that it's going back into play December the 1st. That means if you don't have your refinance closed and funded by the first day of December, you have to pay an extra 0.5 point. That's not what you want to do. Now, I'm encouraging you, if you haven't refinanced or you're considering refinancing, to call me as soon as possible. I actually tell about 50% of the folks that call me to refinance not to refinance. So if you want an honest opinion of somebody that just doesn't want to put another loan in their pipeline but will truly give you trusted advice, please call me. Let's analyze your situation, determine what your break-even period is, discuss the benefits of paying off debt, consolidating debt, refinancing to a 15-year to pay off your loans faster. There could be a multiple of reasons. All right. Now, having said that, your challenge right now, or the challenge in our industry, is that lenders are really struggling with turn times, not only in underwriting, but also in other areas as well. So I got a report the other day that listed several major lending institutions and how far they were out on underwriting. Now, typically, an underwriting for me at CrossCountry is 24 to 48 hours. I'm about 72 hours in underwriting right now, which is one of the best in the industry that I've seen. I'm seeing major companies that are between 16 and 60 days in underwriting. That's right. You want your client to go to a major bank like BOA or Wells Fargo, you can expect some very, very long turn times. So if you're purchasing a home, you'll likely miss that closing and they will ask you for an extension. Credit unions the same. They're way backed up right now. So if you're considering buying or refinancing, this would be the time to get in. All right. And the third thing that you need to know is appraisals. Appraisals are backed up. Appraisers are busier than they've ever been, ever. And they are about 2 weeks out on most appraisals. So if you are listening to this and you are purchasing a home and you want to wait and hold off on the appraisal because of an inspection that you want to make sure is cleared, you better know that you could delay your closing. Lenders don't have control of appraisers. They can't control their time frame. They're a third party that's there to protect the best interest of the transaction and make sure that you have a fair and unbiased appraisal value. But they are way behind right now. So if you're purchasing a home and you want to wait for an inspection to come in, go ahead, have the lender order the appraisal. Just tell them not, if the appraisal is accepted by the appraiser, to go ahead and hold off and postpone it. But don't wait to order it. Get it in now, because by the time your inspections are done, you should know. And if the inspections are going to blow up your deal, then you just cancel the appraisal and you should not have to have paid for it. So those are the three big things you need to know. Fannie Mae, 0.5 point increase. Turn times in underwriting extended across the country, and turn times on appraisals are blown out, longest I've ever seen. So those are the 3 things you need to know. I hope that's valuable to you. It is a great time to purchase and refinance. I locked a jumbo refi in yesterday at 2.75%. Okay, jumbo refi, 2.75%. Incredible. So you feel free to give me a call. We'll make sure that you and your clients are well taken care of at CrossCountry. We still have super fast underwriting turn times and are guaranteed our close time. Matter of fact, if I don't close your transaction in 21 days on most purchases, I will pay for your appraisal and I'll reimburse the seller up to $100 a day for every day I miss their closing. Not going to happen. All right. So call the loan arranger, CrossCountry Mortgage. Numbers are attached to this video. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your Labor Day weekend.